Welcome to all. Today's topic Indian traditional dances. There are different classical dance forms in India, each originating from a different part of the country. The seven main classical dance forms of India are Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri, and Mohiniyattam. Bharatanatyam is the oldest classical dance in India. Natya Shastra is just a codification by an unknown author of the forms of dance existing in Tamil Nadu. It is one of the most ancient forms of dance drama which originated in Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. This dance form took shape in the temples and courts of South India. Kuchipudi is one of the 8 major Indian classical dances. It developed as a religious art linked to traveling baths, temples, and spiritual beliefs. It named after a village called Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, from where it originated. In earlier times, Kuchipudi was only performed by dancers in the temples on certain religious and auspicious festivals. Odissi in its history was performed periodically by women and expressed religious stories and spiritual ideas, particularly of Vaishnavas. It is one of the oldest classical dance forms of India. It originated in the state of Odisha in East India. It started as a temple dance in Jagannath temple in Puri. This dance form is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Mohiniyattam is one of the famous classical dance of India. The dance gets its name from the word Mohini, a historical enchantress avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu. This dance originated in Kerala in South India. The name Mohiniyattam means dance of the enchantress. The dancers depict their love and devotion towards Lord Vishnu through gestures of hands, palms, and fingers. Kathakali is a Hindu performance art in the Malayalam speaking southwestern region of India, Kerala. It is a classical dance drama from Kerala in South India. It is known for the elaborate makeup and costumes of performance. The dance enacts stories from the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. Manipuri dance, also known as Jagoi, is one of the major Indian classical dance forms named after the region of its origin, Manipur, a state of India. It's a beautiful dance form that originated in Manipur. The state of Manipuri dance depicts the Lord Krishna. Pang and cymbals are some of the instruments used in this dance form.
Okay.
Kathak dancers tell various stories through their hand movements and extensive footwork. It is an ancient dance form of the North India. The word Kathak is derived from the word Katha, which means the art of storytelling. The tales of Radha Krishna and other mythological stories are depicted through gestures, facial expression, rhythmic footwork, and spins. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment us.